chip over, where old time scroll and roll with swipe of your finger. Their education is no longer expensive or hard to access. Yet you have a right. Welcome to the magic of learning in digital era. A starting program where every time light up lifelong wonders. First, we need to understand and know what this digital era really means. It's a time where learning is not confined by classroom. Education now revolves around technology, like the slim device right in your hand, which is our fingertips. We can explore the world more globally. Yes, the slim device helps our daily activities. Smartphone now in your grasp. This era
Ulangi, yang sebelum smartphone. Yang sebelum bilang smartphone.
the slim device helps our daily activities. Smartphone now.
Smartphone.
Smartphone in your grasp.
Nah,
This era.
jadi ada jedanya antara itu sama itu. Kalimat sebelum smartphone ya. Ulangi.
Slim device helps our daily activities. Smartphone now in your grasp. This era has revolutionized how we work, communicate, learn, and interact, making everything happen faster. As young people growing up alongside the digital era, we're no longer unfamiliar with the sentence, "The world is in our hands." How could we be with just smartphone and internet connection? We can access all kind of information instantly. Unlike our parents who had to track the library and hold around textbooks, we can get information easily and quickly. With unlimited access to learning, we as students gain flexibility and freedom to express ourselves, disputes, interests, and talent. Spark of motivation through online platform and make it easier to improve academic performance. Ultimately, digital era shapes more adaptive, creative, and innovative students. Talking about students, I want to tell you about my friends. His name is he's so lazy and he just plays game in his smartphone every day. And today I invite him so he can know about negative side digital era. But please be nice to him because he's so sensitive. So please welcome my friends Aki. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Nice to hear that, Aki. Because as the younger generation, it's our responsibility to build healthy digital environment free from digital negative digital effect. Free digital effect. So we can grow into generation that religious and excellent student. Ladies and gentlemen, and my digital generation friends. The magic of learning in digital era is in our hands, ready to ignite creativity and innovation. But use it wisely with parental guidance so we can avoid danger like addiction and hoaxes. Together, as the young leaders, let's grow into generation that faithful, smart, and full of character. And don't forget to be a religious